So ito yung mga kabady, mga kapatid, ito. So nakalagay all sensor, brake pad, maintenance mode and depletion warning system. Yan natin sa all the sensor, mga kapatid. This function calibration all the sensor of the system for ratings. Refer for service manual. Check the following condition are fulfilled. Start the engine for is working there. So stop the vehicle. Do you wish to continue? Okay. And please execute steering operation according to the following steps. Number 1, turn the steering wheel to the straight ahead. So i-straight daw natin. So naka-straight. So number 2, turn the steering wheel slowly 90 degrees to the left. 90 degrees to the left. And number 3, turn the steering wheel slowly 180 degrees to the right. And then number 4, to the steering wheel slowly 180 degrees to the left. Number 5, turn the steering wheel slowly 90 degrees to the right. Turn the steering wheel to the straight ahead position. Press OK button after the ayan. Try natin ito, mga kapatid. So 90 degrees, turn the left. Okay, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Slowly. Slowly. And then to the right, 180. Slowly. Then back to the left, 90 degrees. Don't clean the door.
Don't touch, yeah? كان يشتغل براحته.
ايه خلي براحته.
Okay.